get the sign. So I've got to get the sign. God, I haven't been here. Like, how long has it been since we've been here? Like 2016, I think. Yeah. We're at Universal. You couldn't tell. Running back to Hagrid's motorbike adventure, or whatever it's called, to get on, because it's 90 minutes right now. An hour and a half. Ooh, those look good in there. Does not like the rain. That was weird. Try to get on all the Harry Potter rides and the new ones, and we'll be back again on Friday for Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, Puss in Boots! Look how cute he is with his girlfriend, Lady in Boots.
Is that what she's called?
No, I don't know what her name is. I'm calling her Lady in Boots. Oh, there it goes. I've gotten drenched at that thing before.
Yeah, that's the control.
When I was young and I didn't care about getting wet. We've made it to Hogsmeade. Hogsmeade? I said Hogsmeade. I don't know. How do you say it? Hogsmeade. Anyway, whatever you feel. We are going to get on Hagrid's. Let's do this. Maybe get some butterbeer. Look at Honeydukes. Here it is.
Is this the ride?
Yes. We gotta put our stuff in a locker.
I don't have nothing.
I do. I have a bag. We're gonna get our stuff in the locker and we're gonna get in line. Oh, I just missed it. Just went past us. That sounds awesome. I'm so excited. Oh, my hat. Crap. Oh, we're both wearing hats. Oh, well. Just take them off at the front.
You can just sit on it if you have to.
Yeah. She didn't say anything to us walking in, so we'll see. Are you here?
Get a good view from up here.
Right here, and I don't have any. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, all that needs to go in a locker if you have all of that.
Whatever you can fit in your pockets, you can bring on.
Yeah, but if he's scared it's gonna fall out.
Oh.
If you're afraid it's gonna fall out, then don't risk it.
I mean, I was just on the ride. I was scared my phone was gonna fall out.
Really?
Yeah.
I got like
on
a...
it?
Not yet.
It's awesome.
Yeah, this is
I got
our
like an
first time.
iPhone. I got like a 30-year-old
He
iPhone.
might spoil it out of excitement.
Oh, it's
alright.
okay. I've watched all the POVs. Yeah. Oh, that's single riders.
Well, I guess it's shorter, but there's still a lot of room to go through. Single rider was about half our weight. We're not open right now.
Right?
If you want, you guys can reclaim the spot.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Yeah, Yeah, if we live 20 minutes away, this would be easy because we're annual pass holders and we still live in Michigan, you know, but still not quite as easy to make it here.
And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around. That looked promising.
Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Turn back.
Jimmy! Well, that's just marvelous, Arthur. Not bad. Let's get them back to their cage. Come on. My one. Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. That one empty. Oh, fine. No. Move it there. Transfer these places. Righty ho. Oh, now don't you worry, friends. I'll see you all down there.
Alright. It's getting kind of windy out here. Probably gonna rain here in a few. But just went on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey.
5-minute wait.
5-minute wait. Now we are here. Hagrid's over there. We are heading on to King's Cross. And we're gonna take the train over to the other side. Oh, we just missed it. Just heading over now. We are walking in
Is this where the ride is?
to Diagon Alley. Oh my gosh, we're in Diagon Alley. We're gonna go see how long Gringotts is. Hopefully, because everything else was super slow, it will be super slow. It looks like it probably will be because this land has nobody in here.
This place is usually small.
We should grab a water if it's not too bad before we go on, because I am like thirsty. What does it say? 20 minutes? Oh, somebody got their wand to go. Hippo was up here. Pumpkin juice. Straight up, we got dragon. Got to go put our stuff in a locker. 20 minutes. Do you see that? 20 minutes. What? I think the first time we waited for this, it was like 90 to 100. I don't think I've ever been in this ride with just not walking outside and waiting in a line outside.
Well, and even in here, we watch this show every time. Like, you know,
Oh yeah, where we be standing in all these lines in here every single time.
we stood in here so long that he's repeated his whole cycle of, you know, like preset.
Everything.
Yeah, for, you know, like 6 times.
I've never seen them these fucking.
It is so dead today. Alright. We're gonna find some food. We're all set up for Halloween Horror Nights. We're walking into one of the areas. Let's see what it'll be. What is it?
Rice is like the tomato matzo, tomato basil mozzarella.
Getting ready for the first night of Halloween Horror Nights here at Universal. We won't be here till Friday though. Alright, we're doing Fast and the Furious. Never been on this before.
This is Toretto's Charger out front, but we'll get it on the way out. That's the table that they were at in the first movie. Remember when they're barbecuing?
See the train back there. Here's the garage. Is that the Supra back there? The Supra? The orange one?
The RX-7.
RX-7. Hey, WRX? Oh my gosh!
Quite a bit cold here.
You got the race part. Wherever you go, I go. If you ride, I ride. If you die, I die. That's cool. Cars don't fly. RZ.
Yeah, technically it's a BRZ because it's a Subaru.
Stance Nation, bro.
Play a car, but I guess they're trying to.
Did you like that?
Huh?
You like
Yeah,
that?
it's pretty fun. For being like, you know, not really thrilling or crazy ride.
Yeah, no, yeah, this is for sure Rob Zombie's Hillbilly Deluxe or whatever, Hillbilly something. Yeah. This ain't Hillbilly, I don't know what is. Got some Rob Zombie. Oh, we haven't done Race Through New York. Jimmy Fallon either.
Let's go. I doubt anything has long lines right now.
We could probably walk right on to Mummy and then walk over to that and get on.
Let's do it.
Oh, yep. This is Zombieland. Double tap this area, which I'm super excited for that. That and Stranger Things. Those aren't Twinkies. What are those? What the heck? Oh, it's the thing from Zombieland when they're on it and they're shooting them. Ah, yes. And then you got the Wayland's Pacific Treasures where they're inside of that.
I don't even have the signs on. There is no way.
Oh, there's no wait, so we're gonna go get on this. All right, walked over to Jimmy Fallon. We've never been on this. So we're gonna check it out. Conan O'Brien, The Tonight Show. Oh, it goes from like the first Tonight Show all the way to Jimmy. That's where we're going. Race Through New York, starring Jimmy Fallon. Hey, what's his name?
What are you gonna do with your life, bud?
You can go either way.
You can go in.
Showstopper Jimmy Fallon!
Folks, you're gonna get to meet all the super nifty characters that bring the Tonight Show to life, like Valent Higgins, hashtag Quest.
Higgins. That's his name.
You're walking away, Questlove's my cousin.
Yeah.
So I'm related to him. If you're wondering.
We'll miss you.
They don't care, Ricky.
Yeah, Questlove is the drummer for the greatest house band in the world. No Roots! Yeah, I'll do it.
So anyway, we'd like to pay tribute to Jimmy there.
There's nobody even on that one.
One single.
One single person on that bus. And we just walked in and like 20 people are walking in at the same time. This will be our first time on Reign of Kong.
But there will be no sacrifice today, we hope.
pterodactyl flyers, which you can't go on unless you have a child.
I'm like freaking out.
I say we just go up there and tell them that I'm your kid. It's so like slow today. It's like, can I just go on? Ooh, what's happening? You can't see, but there's construction going on. I bet you if you were on the pterodactyl, oh my god, you'd be able to see it so perfectly. I hate those people. I need a child. Oh, they blocked the windows off in there so you can't see. Kind of guest services. And now, like, you don't even have to have anybody take your picture. You can scan your card there and it'll take your picture. Yeah. Yeah. Which is smart. Because if it's just like us two and we want to get a picture together, we don't want to wait and like ask somebody. Like, that's smart. I have another. Again.
Second time of the day.
About to get on this ride again. It is so slow. It is dead. It's honestly insane how dead it is. Alright, gonna go get in line for Hagrid's again. It says 100 minutes. We'll see how that goes. This guy is getting out of the back of the butterbeer truck. Looks like it's starting to rain. So I'm just gonna go on this time. I'm not gonna record anything. I'll tell you how it goes. So we did Universal yesterday and it was amazing.
Hagrid's motorbike adventure is the best ride in all of Orlando. Easily.
Hagrid's motorbike.
Followed closely by Fido Passage.
Yes.
But yeah, it was incredible. We rode it 3 times in one day.
Twice in a row.
We rode it, yeah, like rode it, got off, unchecked our locker, rechecked it, and got right back in line and rode it again. Met 2 awesome people. Hey Brett, hey Ashley. Hope you guys made it home safely, and we hope you make it to Detroit safely. What's the chances? We literally weren't even sure if we were gonna get back in line. We already rode it twice, you know. That's good numbers to ride a brand new ride, but we were like, all right, let's just do it. Let's do it again. And we ran into literally our 2 like doppelgangers, but not in looks and personality.
Yeah.
And they were really awesome.
Yeah, so we ended up actually going after and getting drinks and like food with them. So that was really awesome.
They were extremely hospitable.
They were very nice, and we owe you.
Don't worry. Would you show them this?
Oh, and so yes, the other night, our finished project of our puzzle that we finished from the other night. This is it.
It was like the end of the night when the hurricane was kind of close by, and the weather was never ever bad here. It was raining a little bit, so obviously we didn't want to.
So we built this, and then we're gonna have to take it all apart to take it home.
And then
rebuild it. It's beautiful.
It's extremely stressful.
It was very. Happy New Year!
Oh yeah, it's a video. Happy New Year! Woo!
There's a bunch of fireworks going on. We're watching Walt Disney World live New Year's Eve fireworks. We were just watching the New Year's Rockin' Eve Dick Clark with Ryan Seacrest. And Bella is asleep. It's my dog. She is gone. Didn't make it to the New Year.
She's been asleep for like 3 hours ever since we got back. She laid
down. So, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2020 is here, a brand new decade. We've been meaning to do this because I've been editing videos from our vacation in
We have no
September.
outro.
We have no outros for any of the videos, so there's
They
gonna
just
be
end
some.
up- they just end.
They just end. So there's gonna be some outros from us from now, but the videos are gonna be from September. So it's gonna be a little weird. But I'm not sure which video this will be on. If you like our video, thumbs up, subscribe, like us on Instagram, follow us on Instagram.
I'm sorry guys, but I cannot.
I don't think it can focus.
It's not gonna focus, but it's when that guy says that
Post
he's
Malone.
the No, don't say the name. We're gonna get flagged.
No, you don't get
It's
flagged.
the 0.1% of germs Lysol didn't get. And that's exactly what he looks like.
Anyway, like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and we are out for the night. Happy New Year. See you next time.
See you guys next time. Be safe. Call me
Have a
if you-
safe New Year's.
Call me if you need a
Call
ride.
an Uber.
Call me. I'll be there.
Taxi.
This video's getting uploaded.
Good night.